Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram cannot upload this item to your story. So this might be a technical glitch in your Instagram app itself. What you have to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store. Now you'll see a search bar icon, tap onto it and then search Instagram. If you see that Instagram needs updation, you will see update instead of open. Go ahead, select update and update your app. But in case you see open, that means your application is already updated. So long tap onto your Instagram, select the eye icon. You will get landed onto the settings page of Instagram. Head over to storage. Now go ahead, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your email, username, or password of Instagram, I also recommend you to clear the data. Read all these and select delete. Now lastly, select force stop and then OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch your Instagram, make sure the camera access is already given, and you may go ahead, upload a story and this will work.